Hi there, I'm Ann Milano, Associate Broker, and welcome to 4002 Defender Drive, Roswell, Georgia. Let's take a look inside.
Just over the Chattahoochee River from Sandy Springs in the northernmost tip of Cobb County in Roswell, Georgia, is the swim and tennis community of Garrison Oaks. 4002 Defender Drive, located on this fabulous cul-de-sac, is an elegant custom-built home by Wilmot Williams. As you enter the two-story entry foyer, your eyes are drawn to the gleaming sight of finished hardwood floors. To the left is a large formal living area that opens to the banquet-sized dining room, with a butler's pantry, perfect for a night of entertaining. As you continue down the hall, you are met by the large gathering room with sky-high windows, custom bookcases, and a cozy fireplace, perfect for a quiet evening at home. The morning breakfast area is the perfect spot for a quiet cup of coffee overlooking your park-like backyard. Fix a drink at the bar and let's head to the chef's kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and drop-in gas cooktop. Enjoy some good conversation at the large center island, the perfect spot to gather before dinner. A main level office or guest suite with full bath finishes the main level. Now let's head upstairs where we find the oversized master suite with cozy fireplace. Escape to the master bath with his and hers vanities and enjoy some bubbles in the jacuzzi tub, or take a hot steam in the large double-headed shower. Next we see the first of 3 additional bedrooms with its storybook window seat and bookcases, which opens to the Jack and Jill bath and then into the second bedroom. The third bedroom with its Juliet balcony overlooking the front yard and its own private bath completes the upper level. Let's head down to the amazing finished terrace level with sports room, game room with billiard table, bar with granite countertops, a media room, an office, and a huge exercise room. Head out to the screened porch and enjoy your park-like view, or down to the private backyard with a fire pit for a night under the stars. Let's check out the historic city of Roswell for a night out with your friends or family, plus easy access to 400 to head into the city, grocery shopping at Publix, or get your workout on at LA Fitness. 4002 Defender Drive is the perfect place to call home. Contact Associate Broker Ann Milano at 404-966-3980 for more information about this exquisite find.